So I'm going to make her something special tonight. It is gonna be Josephine's chicken curry. I am finished eating, you guys. Time to exercise. Oh, my mom.
This is my look, my life, my book. This is my destiny. This is my destiny.
Good morning, guys. It is 10:33 a.m. right now, and my mom woke up around 7 o'clock today, and we moved the time forward today. It's March 8th, so she technically woke up at 6, but we had to move it 1 hour. So she woke up 7 o'clock a.m. and then it's actually pretty good because the day before she woke up at 3 o'clock a.m. So last night I actually had sleep, yay! And then she woke me up again like 10 o'clock, which is pretty late already. So that's pretty good. So she had all her meds for the morning, and then she ate her breakfast. Papa made her scrambled eggs and just a piece of toast. And that's it. Now she's just resting, and then I go up there after my breakfast. I'm gonna do her morning exercises. Yesterday we only did it once, but today we're gonna do it at least. We're gonna try at least twice. It's supposed to be 3 times a day, but she's still not, up to the 3 times a day. So we're gonna try to give her 2 sets of exercise today, morning and then later in the afternoon, or late afternoon, or maybe even early evening. All right, you guys, I'm gonna have my breakfast. I think I'm gonna have lugaw. I made like a big pot of lugaw, so I'm in the lugaw mode right now. I'm gonna go have that and then come upstairs. Actually, also give her like a really nice soothing massage on her leg. She loves massages, so I gave her some massages this morning, and I think that helps too for her to relax a little bit. I am finished eating, you guys. Time to exercise. Oh, my mom. Good job. Let's go. Let's go get some treats. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go get some treats. Watch your head. Watch your head. Right here. Watch your head. You're going to hit that. Good job. All right, let's go. Cat food treat. Here you go. Good job. Poppy, time for exercise. Ready? Go. One. All right, guys, it is 7:25 p.m. right now. My mom is sleeping, taking a big nap. So I'm going to make her something special tonight. It is gonna be Josephine's chicken curry. It's Penang Penang curry, all right? It's not gonna be any measurements. I'm just gonna go the way I normally go. So I'm just gonna wash all these veggies. And I have here some snow peas. Go around the bell pepper. Lay it flat. And you come, oops, come with this. Boom. Half. And then I'm just gonna go give it a quick so much veggies, you guys, so much veggies. Usually I would put like a rag underneath so it doesn't move, but I'm just in a hurry right now, so I don't have any rag to put. All right. Okay. All right, that's the veggie. I think I'm gonna keep this. I don't think I need that much vegetable, so I think this is enough, all right? I have the chicken here. It's chicken thighs with no skin and no bones, right? This is what I got. So I'm gonna cook all of these. All right, so we got everything ready to go. Put that in the plastic. Smells good, you guys. And this is the Masaman curry. No, sorry. This is a Penang curry. And this is just a coconut milk. You know, you can get any brand of coconut milk. All right. I'm missing a couple of ingredients. I don't have bay leaf. And yeah, I was gonna put ginger as well, but I'm sure this has ginger already, so I'm not gonna over ginger it. So I think I'm only missing bay leaf on this one, and yeah, I'm also missing fresh basil. And again, bay leaf and fresh basil, but I have basil leaves. So these are all my ingredients, you guys, for my homemade chicken curry. Of course, I have all the chickens here. I'm gonna make it as like a whole chicken like that. Ingredients right here is chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. Then I have the Penang curry. I have 2 of these coconut milk. I have all these spices, basil leaves, whole oregano. I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon and just veggies, asparagus, red bell pepper, and some snow peas. So once again, I'm missing here bay leaf. I'm missing basil leaves, like the fresh basil leaves, and I usually put spinach before serving, but I don't have that too. So this is gonna be just whatever I have in the fridge. So let's get started. Okay, it's hot. So we're gonna put just a little bit of oil. And then we're gonna add these, all of these spices. Alright, so I'm just gonna put that. Sophie out. Okay, then we're gonna add a little oil. And we're gonna add the chicken. All the chicken. Right, look at that, you guys. So it's still on high. Once it boils, I'm gonna bring it down to simmer. You're gonna wanna bring it down to simmer so your chicken doesn't get like too hard like a rock. So you wanna cook it like low and slow, but you have to bring it up to a boil first. All right, it's boiling now. I'm gonna take down the heat a little bit to like a medium. There you go, see, it's boiling. So let's turn down this to about medium. So that's the highest, that's the lowest. I'm gonna go like around 4.5, 5. You know, you want a little bubbles, but not that big bubbles. So there you go. Okay, I'm gonna go scrape the pan, the bottom of the pan, just to make sure nothing is sticking in there, okay? So I bring it down now to medium heat. So it's gonna simmer. You don't want it too low though, you want it to cook. So you just don't want those big bubbles. Now I'm gonna add basil leaves. I would say, I'm just really guesstimating, but if I'm gonna make a recipe out of this, I probably would put at least a tablespoon of this. So, looks like it's a lot, but it's only a tablespoon. Okay, that's basil. And I'm gonna put about half a tablespoon of oregano, whole oregano. It smells so good, you guys. Just half of that. Okay, and then about a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Teaspoon, not a lot. You don't want it to, there you go. Just a little bit of that. Now I'm gonna go stir them up again. See, even medium high, look how medium heat, it's still kind of high, so I'm gonna show you. So it depends on your stove. My stove goes up and down, so I'm gonna just turn it down a little bit more because I don't want that much bubbles, okay? So turn it down a little bit. There you go. See, it's almost like a number 2 and 3, but this is really high for some reason, you know, but depends on your stove. So you just kind of mix it up a little bit in there, yeah. Just give it a quick mix. Okay. Nice, there you go. Now they're all in there. And a little bit I'm gonna add these, depends on the hardest. I think this one is gonna be the hardest here. So I'm gonna start adding this once the chicken is almost cooked, all right? So we can tell by poking the chicken with a fork. So I'm sure it's not done yet, so I just know my chicken. So once the chicken is almost done, it takes about, I don't know, 15 to 20 minutes. I just really look at it. I don't really time most of my food, but for you guys, I would say about 15 to 20 minutes if you want to have to time it. But make sure your heat is low. Once you see it's boiling too hard, make sure you turn down your heat, okay? I only have my heat on number 2, but look, it still have that little sizzle, you know, a little bubble. But not like mad bubbles, not like super boiling hard. All right, now just wait and wait and wait. And then we'll come back for the veggies, okay? All right, so I'm gonna taste the sauce a little bit and let's see if it needs some salt. Sometimes the Penang, you know, the curry pack, the can of curry, sometimes they're already so salty, so I don't add the salt until I tasted it. So I'm gonna taste it right now. So the chicken is cooked now, that's why I can taste the sauce. You don't wanna taste the sauce when the chicken is still not cooked, okay? I don't like salty food, but I know that it needs a little bit salt. And this is not just for me, it's for my mom and for my papa. So I'm gonna add a little salt. It's Himalayan pink salt. All right. I'm not gonna add pepper because it's already spicy as it is. Let me try that again. Okay. Just give it a little quick stir. So test the chicken is cooked. I already know it's good, but you just kind of poke it and see if there's a blood coming out. If there is, it's still, see, there's no more blood coming. I know you can't see it there, but there's no more blood coming in the chicken and it's done. I'm also gonna try it because I want to. I'm gonna try a bit of the chicken. Mmm. Nice and tender. Yummy. Okay. We're gonna add the veggies now. All right, chicken is cooked, so we can add the veggies. I would start with the hardest one first, which is this one here. Asparagus. Okay. So we're just going to mix the asparagus in there. Okay. And after like a couple of minutes, I'm going to add these snow peas. And then another couple of minutes, I'm going to add these bell pepper. Okay. And I'm still on number 2. If it's just for me, I like my vegetables really half cooked, but this is for my mom and she likes her vegetable a little bit on the overcooked side. So I'm gonna kind of do it in between. We'll see. I just tried the asparagus and it's perfect for me right now. They still have a little crunch and it's cooked, but for her, it needs to be more cooked, all right? Right now the asparagus is cooked. See, there's no more white in the center. It's definitely cooked. I'm gonna add the snow peas. There you go. Another couple of minutes, then we're gonna add the red bell pepper. All right, snow peas is halfway cooked, so I'm gonna add the bell peppers. Just gonna cover it. That's exactly how I want it. All right. Yummy. All right. I'm gonna serve it. And that's it.
This is my look, my life, my book. This is my destiny. Yes, that's my destiny. You can sit down with your trouble, but for me it's plain to see.